access for the disabled, telephone access. Graphics, I think, are also an important part where, in more and more cases we have access to graphical displays. And user-controlled animations with three-dimensional or even richer worlds of virtual reality. Compression issues, thumbnails, interlacing, by all those details are part of the lower-level design. They should not affect the design of the high-level structure of your information with hundreds of web pages or thousands. Just a few closing comments about the strategies for doing this. As in all user interface projects, build a prototype and run usability tests. Would you fly an airplane that hadn't been test flown? Would you go to a play that had no rehearsals? Would you use an interface that had not been tested? I hope not. I hope you don't have to. And the strategies for doing this have become widely used and very effective. Relatively small number of users. Jacob Nielsen calls this discount usability testing. 3 to 10 users for 2 to 3 hours on a structured set of tasks. You will know what works and what doesn't work. Just the effort to force you to make up a set of typical representative tasks is a very powerful one. So you have a model of what users are doing and what they're not doing. Okay? This usability process, as Charlie Kreitzberg will promote in a stronger way, will shorten and make a more predictable life cycle for development of systems and dramatically reduce costs. Payoffs have been described, as Charlie will report, of 10 to 1 or even 100 to 1. There's many benefits from this approach. Improved organizational reputation because of higher quality, and your people will have higher morale because of the quality of what they've done. Finally, remember, a website is, I hope, a living and changing document. Like any good house, it requires maintenance. And you will want to keep track of which users are going to which sites. Do you know what are the 10 most frequently viewed pages on your websites? Do you know which are the 10 least frequently used web pages? Can you understand why some people never come to certain web pages? There are many strategies that are well documented in the usability and human factors literature. There is a chance now to update those and reapply them for website design. That brings us to the end of our second hour. We'll be back in a short time with Charles Kreitzberg.